Hello guys, review tablet Blackview Tab 11. This version 6GB, 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. Okay, look, complementation to the tablet. Adapter for charging, Type-C cable, OTG cable, and documentary on this we have. Okay, close box. Now talk about device. 10.3-inch display, made of metal, double camera on the back side, interesting. Downside, dock station connector, speakers. On this side without controls, left side Type-C port, headphones jack, wall buttons, power button. Upside we have slot for 4 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Turn on device. Display Full HD Plus IPS. Okay. Android 11 we have. Open Geekbench 5 and talk about system information. We have Unisoc Tiger T618, this octa-core processor, and GPU Mali G52. Look results, CPU test results, GPU test results, and Antutu benchmark results look. Okay, Antutu benchmark results, close this, and run the money game with San Andreas. Not bad sounds. Okay, close this, and that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.